Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is Engineer Ibrahim Umar, and in this tutorial we will download and install Blender 4.0. Basically, one of my subscriber has asked me to make a tutorial on this. So let's start. First we will go to our browser, let's say Google, and here we will write Blender. We'll go to this one, blender.org, and here you can see the software company Blender. I'll click here download. I'll click here, and now you can see that my download has started. Okay, so here you can see that my download has completed, and now I will install my software in my PC. Okay, so I'll go to your show in folder. I'll click here, and here I'll click next, and I will accept these agreement and these conditions. I'll click next. I'll go to your browse, and let's say I will change its directory to F, and I will click OK. I'll click here next, and I will select this one, install. So my Blender is installing. It's a very powerful software for 3D modeling, for animations, for let's say game development, for sculpting, etc. Here you can see that my download is completed. I will click here finish, and now I can use my brand new Blender software. And let's double click Blender 4.0, and here you can see the preview, the window of Blender, and here you can see the default cube of Blender. Okay, so that's how you can easily download and install Blender, and you can also download previous versions of Blender. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. Thank you.